Hi guys! For this teaching unit, I wanted to talk to you about what you did in your group work, which is called the literature circle. And so in the traditional classroom, you would assign students this, and it's part of inquiry-based learning in which students create their own knowledge, right? So they're able to build on their own background information and form that, and it tends to be more memorable for them. It also allows for peer interaction. So if you're in the digital format, you could do something like the groups. If you're in the real classroom, what I do is that we get in a circle, and sometimes several people will be the researcher. But don't worry, they always bring out different points than another person. But what happens is that they're forming information, and we put it into a graphic organizer because oftentimes students that are visual learners retain the information better when it's organized, right? We learn in small chunks, so the small chunks help students remember the information. So you go into the different tasks, right? So that everybody's kind of giving the background of the novel. So we're figuring this out, without the use of a PowerPoint, for example, of a strict lecture, but making it more interactive. So you kind of give them a worksheet. You give them information that they would want to include, and then you ask them to this is the task, and then you give them ways of gathering information, and then you have different jobs so that they're all forming this background information of the novel. I do hope you'll give it a try, and maybe you will share some ideas with me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.